Hey, what's going on today, guys? Summer is basically over and fall is starting, and since I'm going out for a couple errands, just want to take you guys for a ride. So this will pretty much be my last video documenting the car naturally aspirated. I'm hoping to be installing the supercharger next weekend, getting my EQ Tech or ECU Tech tuning kit sometime this week. So stay tuned, subscribe, like the videos if you like what you're seeing. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see anything else, any suggestions. Cool, thanks for watching. Best exhaust setup in my opinion for these cars. Like, I've heard a lot of good setups at car meets on YouTube, different combinations of parts from the engine all the way back. So if you're wondering, this is the gruppe-s unequal length headers. Those are catless. Gruppe-s overpipe, HKS dual resonated front pipe, that's also catless. And then the Gruppe Revolution Gruppe Revolution 3-inch catback exhaust. So all in all, really good value for this whole exhaust. The resonators in the front pipe and catless setup plus the 3-inch catback setup, in my opinion, makes one of the deepest, most rumbly exhaust setups you could have. And just short of having forced induction, like having a turbo blow off sound.
Red light camera recorded ahead.
Nice, thank you. Yeah, so just short of having forced induction sounds like a blow off or a supercharger or something. Right there is the best exhaust setup. So this is about third gear at 3,000 RPM. Tell me that doesn't sound amazing. And I'm so excited to get the supercharger in soon. It's gonna make the sickest sounds. I just hope the video will be able to pick it up, honestly. Please ignore how dirty my car is. I love driving with the windows down, but that means you just get dust everywhere, so I really need to detail this car. My floor mats are dirty, my top of my dash is dirty, everything is dirty and dusty. I feel really bad about leaving the car like that. so much louder with the windows open. Oh my god. That whole little city I just rode through, I'm so sorry for the menace that I am. Ugh. These roads suck. These roads suck, so let's speed up and get through them. Sun's going down, and literally stopped on the side of the road because GoPro's about to die and I want to get some footage of the outside of the car from the exhaust clips. So man. Alright, so unfortunately can only rev out to about 5,500 RPM because of launch control starting to activate, but hopefully you guys got the idea of how that sounds outside the car. It is really loud, and I'm gonna be curious to see how it sounds once I get the supercharger, because we're pushing a lot more air and fuel through the engine, and wonder if the exhaust tone is gonna change. Anyway, hope you guys liked those driving clips. If you have suggestions for anything else you want to see, any installs or driving or anything else like that, let me know. Leave a comment down below, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Peace out.